bitches. I think that one was the best.
Self-care report is in session.
Bridge and Jess here. We make self-care videos weekly reviewing products. If you like what you see, subscribe to our channel. We drop videos every Tuesday.
Today we have a mo-stache remover.
No mo-stache.
I like the moo thing.
I like the packaging. They were on Shark Tank.
Ooh.
I love Shark Tank, which I'm nervous about because every time I've tried to wax my like upper lip,
Do you want me to get it?
I break out. So Jessica's going to do this on me, and hopefully I don't break out because I have a job interview on Friday.
And we're gonna get her nice and
I have
hairless.
PTSD because when I was a teenager, like 13, I used Nair on my face and it burned it off, and I had to go to school.
I'm not going to use this because I do
It was
break out for
embarrassing.
waxing my face even when I go to the professionals.
Okay, so we warm this up in our hands. It looks like a little band-aid for 20 seconds.
But wait, we need scissors first. I don't want to have it on you and then not have scissors for your aloe. We just put it on your upper lip and rip it off.
Here, I'll warm it up.
I'll warm you
I
up.
have a high body temp. Just as always cold.
How warm are they supposed to be?
Mine
I don't
are hot.
understand.
Okay.
Okay.
This is scary.
I would be scared.
I don't want to No. You're my esthetician for the day, Jessica.
Okay. Are we supposed to leave it open? I'm nervous.
Do you want me to relive my PTSD from my childhood? It's okay, we have to wear face masks. Or do I have a job interview?
Is that on
Oh
your
my
lip?
god.
Do I pull now? How long do I wait?
No, that didn't hurt. It actually kind of hurt.
Was that on your upper lip?
Yeah.
I don't want to get your lip.
Like there.
Okay.
Wait, let me warm it up. That is so hot.
Is it on your lip?
Probably.
Oh my god.
It's okay. What way do we pull it? Towards me? This way or this way?
Hold skin. Okay, it doesn't matter. You just have to pull your skin this way and then rip it that way. I can't do this. Okay.
Pull it? I don't know.
Are you okay?
Yeah, did it work?
I feel like you don't have a mo-stache.
Oh my god, do these not work? How annoying. Let's try one more. Maybe they don't work. I don't know. Probably are working. We just can't fucking see because we're stupid. Okay, let's warm one more up.
Okay.
I want to try it on like armpits. I have fat arms though, so I'm embarrassed.
No, that would hurt too if something went wrong.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
Do you want to touch my armpit?
Yeah.
I like don't wear tank tops. I'm like, let me go with a tank top on the fucking internet.
I've never wanted to touch
Fat
my
arm
armpit
girls
so bad.
need love too. Fat arm girls need love too.
Okay. Guys, she's not fat. Tell her she's not fat.
They're gonna be like, you fat fucking cow. Like they call us.
You cow with your mo-stache.
Like they call us
Okay,
fucking
ready?
white pigs.
Ooh, I'm gonna do this part.
Oh my god.
Okay. You want me to do it now?
Whatever. Oh, that didn't hurt as bad as the face. Okay, these will fucking work.
Yeah, I'm not seeing any,
Difference.
yeah.
But I do want them to
Should I
work.
do it on my hand?
Yeah. I really wanted them to work. Maybe we're not pressing it. What the hell?
Oh, this kind of worked.
Can I put this on right or what? How did that even happen?
Okay, I don't think I see hair. No, there's still hair. We're probably doing it wrong.
How can we be doing it wrong?
Do you want me to apply your aloe?
No, I want it to work.
How much was this?
Mo-Stache. It was like $7.
Are you serious?
$7? Jessica could have bought an Arby's sandwich with $7. Okay, we're gonna try it one more time just to
Where are we gonna try it this time?
just to give them one more shot at love on my face, but I think we need to like press it in more. Maybe they're not warm enough.
I had that thought.
I wore my mascara up in my bra.
Like warm between your hands.
Warm between your boobs. That's more like it. Warm between your thighs. Okay, I think it's warm now. We'll try
That's
this
warm.
one.
That's a warm patch, bitches.
It's a warm boob patch. One more try for.
Where's this one going?
Oh, maybe I did get it.
I feel like that one worked. Let's try this side now.
Should I face them?
Should you what?
Face them. It's just like the anticipation.
I just don't see
No,
anything.
guys. This reminds me of like when you're a kid and you take like duct tape and like pretend you're waxing yourself.
Yeah.
And I really wanted this shit to work. Wax, work and wax.
Are you sure you don't need aloe?
Can I get my $7 refund to buy my friend an Arby's sandwich?
Yeah. Does their aloe feel soothing?
It smells like menthol, like
Fake aloe?
no, it smells like Vicks Vapor Rub.
It does.
Well, at least it'll clear my sinuses.
It did do something nice for my sinus right there.
Okay.
If nothing else, they gave us a good sinus cleanse. I love a good sliding container.
And I do love a good Shark Tank winner. We can hide our.
Did she wax anybody in the crowd on Shark Tank? How did she
We'll have
prove?
to investigate
How
that.
did she prove that these work?
Maybe she waxed a real hairy bitch. Because I don't know.
A real hairy
So I would
bitch.
say, is it blended or I'm just gonna have jizz on my face?
You know, it looks good, but also, even if it did hot.
Hot. I would say these are not being just approved.
Not
So
yet.
no Mo-Stache. Yeah, we still got the stash.
Yeah. We got Mo-Stache.
We got Mo-Stache and probably a fucking chemical burn
Yeah.
before my interview.
If we do get a chemical burn and we post this video
will
in the
let you
comments,
know.
we will let you know that there
For
was a
sure.
chemical burn. We wouldn't do that to our
I mean, it was only $7. No, so it's not like we blew a lot of money. But guys, don't do it.
This is a boo stash. So that's a no. And we got
All right, subscribe.